interview, interview, interview.
Resume, resume, resume.
Cover letter, cover letter, cover letter. Qualifications, qualifications, qualifications. Experience, experience, experience. Interview. For example, I have an interview scheduled for the position tomorrow.
Resume.
For example,
please bring a copy of your resume to the interview.
Cover letter. For example, attach a cover letter highlighting your qualifications. Qualifications. For example, your qualifications perfectly match our requirements. Experience. For example, could you tell me more about your previous work experience?